Skylar. How you doing? What you doing there, babies? Huh? Oh, making Mom a little nervous there, huh? Look at that. She's standing. Yeah, you're standing. Skylar. Skylar. Hi, baby. She's looking at Gucci. Skylar. Skylar. Wanna do it again? Lindsay! She's okay, everyone. Hi, Skylar. Hi, Skylar. Where you going, Bubs? Gucci's very entertaining. This is what she's looking at. Hey, Gucci. 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 Oh, a little up close and personal right there. And here comes the Sky Monster. Here comes the Sky Monster. You going for the Gucci? It's the standoff. Gucci. Gucci likes one of Skylar's stuffed animals. Oh, mailman.